Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, Faith by Design. My name is Imani. Today we will be going over my debt for December of 2024. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then please keep watching. Okay, so I wanted to wish you all a happy new year. I am filming this on the 1st, and so we are now in 2025. I can't believe it. This year is officially started, but I did want to go over my numbers for December of 2024. So I'm going to be getting my day started and doing some errands so that way I can prepare for the week, go back to work tomorrow, and it's actually Thursday, so I'll be preparing for the upcoming week. But because the kids go back to school on Monday, we're going to get started so we can go over these numbers. Okay, so last month we ended up adding on charging our card, Navy Federal card. We paid it off once in 2024, and then we had to add some new tires to it, so we were able to purchase new tires, but we used our card to get them, and so we added the balance back up to about $1,400. Actually, the balance last month was $1,457, to be exact. So I wanted to make sure we paid this off before we accrued any interest, and I wanted to pay it off by the end of the year. We didn't want to go into the new year charging the card that we had already paid off and then adding debt back onto it and not being able to pay it off. So we buckled down and, we made it happen. So the balance is now at zero again, and that makes me so happy. We didn't accrue any interest on the card, so that also makes me happy as well. So yeah. Next, we have Interbank. Interbank was a loan we took out to get our house painted. We had a high interest rate on that loan. We were able to pay it off in 2024, so the balance is now at zero. So these are all debts that we started with in 2024, by the way. Discover credit card, that is the current card that we are tackling in our debt snowball. Last month, the balance was at $3,409. So at the end of December, the balance was at $3,016. And so, yeah, we are getting closer to being under the 3,000 mark, and that makes me so excited. We do have a 0% interest balance transfer on this particular card, but it ends at the end of this month in January. So I will be transferring it to a new 18-month 0% interest card. We do have one with Citibank that we still did not close. We have it open, and they offered us that promotional offer. So we're going to take that and transfer the balance to that card. So last but not least, we have Fidelity. Last month, Fidelity was at $5,720. And at the end of December, it was at $5,548. So when we total all of the debt balances up, we get $8,564. So, yeah. Then we go to our Navy Federal. These are extra debt payments. So when we go to our extra debt payments, we have Navy Federal. We made an extra debt payment of $1,155, and that was from our home binder. We ended up taking out the money so we could use it to make an extra debt payment to the Navy Federal credit card. And then on the 13th, we also made another extra debt payment of $292, and that made it paid in full. Then we made a Discover credit card payment of $200, and that was on the 27th. Then we also made another Discover payment of $131. That was on the 27th as well. And that was from my YouTube paycheck that I received. So I did receive my second YouTube paycheck since I've been monetized. And I wanted to say thank you all so much. for watching my videos, watching my ads. It's because of you that I received my second YouTube paycheck, and any money that I receive will be applied towards debt. So I can't thank you enough. Please continue watching so that way I can make another debt payment. So yeah, but anyway, thank you so much. So Discover, we did have a $45.80 redemption on our Discover card, but I did not count that because it was used to reduce the balance for purchases that we still use. So we didn't have to throw any extra money towards those purchases. We used the rewards. So for the total debt payments this month, we add the minimum payments plus the extra. So we get $2,050. So the total extra payments was $1,778, and that's exciting. That's probably the largest extra debt payment we've made this year or in 2024. So last month's total debt balance is $10,586. This month total debt balance is $8,564. And that is a difference of $2,022. So that is the total debt monthly progress. It, for some reason, doesn't equal this exactly. I'm not sure where my math went wrong, but it's pretty close. So total debt monthly progress, 6.5%. So that is for the monthly debt progress. And then if we look over the overall debt progress, we have the total debt we started with, $31,312. The total debt balance for this month is $8,564. And then the overall debt progress is $22,748. So that is an overall debt progress of 72.6%. So that is exciting because we are getting close to 75. Last month, I believe it was a negative monthly debt progress because we added debt. But I think the overall debt progress was about 67%, I believe. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, 66.2%. So we have made significant progress to that, and I'm so excited about that. Okay, so if we look at the total debt balance reduction amount from beginning of January to December, we were able to reduce our debt by $10,190. So that makes me very, very excited because we actually have this total left for our high priority debts, or the debts that we are focusing on. So that makes me hopeful that we can achieve this for 2025. We should be able to knock this out. We will be slowing down a bit after we pay off the Discover so that we could save the money that we use for the debt snowball. I haven't quite figured out how we're going to use it, if we're going to use all of our debt snowball or majority of our debt snowball to stack some savings first, and then we'll come back and be working on saving for the Fidelity payoff. We do have to use our 100 envelope challenge in order to save a lump sum, and then that way we make the full payment for Fidelity. My voice. But we make the full payment for Fidelity. They won't allow us to just throw chunks at it. We have to pay the balance off in full. So I plan to use the 100 envelope challenge in order to save that huge amount to make a final payment. So yeah, that's where we are starting in now January of 2025. So I hope that we are able to knock this out this year, save, pay off debt. Those are my two focuses for this year. So let me know down below any debt payoff plans that you have for 2025. And I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful or you want to be a part of this journey here on YouTube. And I'm wishing you all a wonderful, blessed and prosperous year ahead. Let's go ahead and tackle these goals for the year. So I'll see you in my next video. Take care, be blessed, and I will see you soon.